Hey guys, today's video I'm doing a quick video for you guys. It's gonna be how to not get your PayPal blocked when you make too much money. Okay, so PayPal, when you first create PayPal, it has a settings where you have to touch to be able to earn more income, so they don't block your account. Okay, so I'm logging my PayPal account, as you can see right here, and then you're gonna go into this tools here. Okay, you see this tool icon here. You're gonna click on it. And then you're gonna scroll down where it says business information right here. There's gonna be an update right here, okay? You click on update. From there, you're gonna scroll down. You see where it says your business information. You're gonna click on edit, okay? And then you put your contact name. You fill this however you want, whether it's for the short, the long. You check whichever of these you want. I just check all of them just so I don't have to like experience anything. And then you put your website right here. It doesn't really matter which website it is. And you put your you also put whatever, anything that else you're doing, like Amazon, Word Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, Max Bounty. And the thing is that when you first do it, this is usually, I believe, set like to less than, and less than 5,000, less than $25, and less than 25%, right? So since you set here, if you make too much money, let's say if I made like $10,000 per month, or maybe like say maybe 50K per month, not Amazon, PayPal would pretty much send me a notification where they'll shut down my account for 180 days. And you have to comply with it because PayPal is the boss of you whenever it comes to making transactions, you know? So if you just make PayPal as your method to earn, then that means that people that were trying to buy through you or everything, that you can't send it because PayPal closed the account for 180 days. So you're gonna be pretty much, I would just say, blacklisted for 180 days. You can't do anything about it. You talk to PayPal about it, but they're not gonna really care because this is how PayPal really is, you guys. And then the things you have to do is change this to the maximum. Whether you make it or not, just change it, because the bigger the number is, the harder it will be for PayPal to shut you down. And a lot of big earners, they do this to avoid their account being blocked. Like, can you imagine having an account that had like $20,000 in your PayPal that got shut down because you just didn't apply these settings correctly? And yeah, so just do these quick settings. It takes about 30 seconds, and you just press save, and that's it, you guys. From there, go on, do it for business. It's just like one of the number one rule mistake when it comes to using PayPal, that you don't set up properly. And this is how you avoid getting blocked from earning too much from PayPal. So hope you guys liked this video. Enjoy. If you guys liked it, go ahead and subscribe and comment below, right? Thanks.